Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome to Zisodel.
There's no basis for me and the House to fight the governor. And I'll continue to say that the governor is a brother, is a friend, is a colleague in serving the people of Lagos State. The governor has been around in the system for long. He was SA to the former deputy governor, Otumba Femi Pedro. While he was serving as SA to the, I was a member of this house, chairman house committee on rural development. So we've been around together for long. I was the speaker of this house. And when he became the governor, I remained the speaker. In the last 4 years, we've been working together. And I wonder why that at every point in time that the House says no to the request of the governor, it became something else. That is when the so-claimed enlightened concludes that they are fighting the governor. The House come up with so many resolutions which the executive did not carry out. Nobody has noticed that. Nobody has said anything about that. And the House has not done anything. So I don't know what informed the erroneous belief that the House is fighting the governor. The governor will remain our brother. We will continue to work together. So there is no reason for us to fight the governor. But we have constitutional responsibility as the constitutional saddle the governor to inform the House about his nominees. So the House also has responsibility to say yes or no, which we have done.